Avi Ben David, and I want to tell you the story of that beautiful fence that going out of the ground. And everybody asking me, how did you get to it? How did you get to it? So I want to tell you the story right now. It's a pretty interesting story. About 2-3 years ago, we had an inventor and an engineer coming to our shop and asking us to create the prototype for those rising gates. Long story short, they bailed out and it didn't happen, but some of the pictures stayed on our website. So about a year ago, I'm getting a call from a builder's firm who is building a home for a celeb, and they tell me that the celeb really wants to have a gate that's coming out of the ground. And I'm going like, really? You know, anything can be done. And how did you know about us? And they said, you know, we saw some of the pictures. And I said, you know what? We have those pictures. I told them the story about the engineer that came with the inventor. And I told them, you know, but it never happened. So we never did a gate like that before. Anything can be done. I really believe so. We can probably help you, but we never did a gate like that. So just that you know. And I asked them, where are you located? And they said in another part of California. And I'm going, this is a bit too far for us to go and experiment on a gate like that. So I told them, why don't you call that company in Poland? I saw these gates coming out of the ground, and they went viral on the social media. And here it is. This is actually the house of the inventor himself. And I said, yes, but you know, they want us to purchase the license for the patent, and we don't want to do that. We just need one gate. That's all we need. So I said, you know what? Let's cut it real short. I'll get the license. I'll get the gate done for you, and we'll help you out. And that's exactly what we did. We called the inventors. They told us what they need. We ran out the agreement, sent them the funds, and without even seeing that gate, just seeing videos and talking to them on the phone, liked the idea. We purchased the patent, and that's what happened. So that's the story, and now we are doing it.